Okay, guys, we are back for another room tour with the Clue Buzz. This is super exciting. We are at the Island, is it Beach Resort?
Island Beach, yeah.
Island Beach Resort in Treasure Island, Florida. If you know us, you know we got married in Redington Beach and we like to come back to this area. We have never stayed here before. Steven found this on Booking. So we're excited to show you this room because we're not picky people, so we love this place already. So are you ready? I'm gonna start with the entrance, of course, which is here, right? So when you come into the room, there is a safe, there is a closet, right? And there's a giant mirror. And then the sink for the bathroom with the mirror is outside a little bit in the hallway. And then this is the bathroom. Commode. This is all basic stuff, guys. This is not fancy. This is a beach place. It's very small. But you know what? We are not picky. So if you are not picky, this shouldn't bother you, okay? That's right when you come in, bathroom, and then the closet. Now, this is the room. It's ginormous in my opinion. So to the right, we have basically a full-size fridge. There's all of these areas for storage. We bought a roll of paper towels because we're messy. And then there's storage on the bottom. There's a coffee maker. There's that. And then, silverware. This place, let's turn around. This is like the mini kitchen area. This place is supposed to be like, oh, you're going to the beach for a week and you would come to a place like this, right? They have a sink, they have a microwave, they have a stovetop range, right? Which we're not gonna use, but we could. We got some chips. They've got cups. They've got dishes and glasses. And then all this stuff down here. So there's the trash. We bought trash bags too. Then when you turn back around, there's Steven, there's a little couch, 2-seater couch, which I'm sure we'll be keeping our stuff. A giant painting on the wall. And then you turn this way, hey, and there's another mirror with a small table, which we've already put some stuff on. Moving along, we have this area with the TV, and I'm assuming you can put clothes in here if you want. Steven tends to like to unpack.
I'm doing that right now.
And then we have a little cozy chair and a king-size bed. Now, as far as plugs, I don't know where the plugs are for charging stuff. We haven't done that yet. But look at the bed, our little air conditioner. He's making fun of me, whatever. But the best part is, look at this freaking view. Did you go out here yet? I don't think he did. Is it open? It's open. It's a slide. It's a little stiff. So let's look. This is a decent, very decent sized balcony with 2 chairs. This is our view, you guys, for 2 days. I'm obsessed. So we literally have a walk-on area from where we're staying. We're gonna literally walk out the back of the building, down to the beach, and we're there. So we have been wanting to do this for quite a while, to just stay and have this view and have a little getaway. And this is what makes this room. The prices, in our opinion, were completely reasonable for what we paid for this. 2 nights. We got here at 12. The room was ready, like, basically at 12. So we're so stoked. We are going to get dressed and go down to the beach before it rains because the weather is a little questionable. But look at that. OMG. How beautiful is this? All right, we will see you guys later.